Hey YouTube, it's your boy Super Scooter Guy coming at you with another Moto vlog. And today what I want to talk about is helmet replacement. So I've did a video in the past about like I have a modular helmet, but I went out and got like a 3/4 helmet. I'd never wear the damn helmet, like it was a waste of money. For some reason, just having a modular, I want my full head covered. Even when I was wearing the 3/4, like too much wind getting up underneath the thing, like I wasn't feeling it. So I will pretty much, for the most part, wear a modular helmet forever. But with that said, I've had the same helmet since I bought my bike in 2013. It's definitely not the best. It was part of my first gear purchase, so of course that was at Cycle Gear, where you get the built brand. And you know, I got the built jacket, the built helmet, the built gloves, everything built. As you can see, my gloves are still built. And you know, I've thought about, like, you know, stepping my game up a little bit, particularly in the helmet game, where to me that's the most important piece of equipment that you should be wearing. And just, I want to get a, you know, feedback from you all. You know, do you change your helmet from time to time? Obviously, I've never went down where, you know, I've hit my head and, you know, cracked the helmet or nothing crazy like that. So it's not necessarily like a, you know, a structural reason as to why I think I need to change the helmet. But you know, it's a little dusty. You know, it's a little, doesn't have that fresh, the most fresh look like they used to, when it used to have, when, you know, I just got it out of the shop. You know, I want a fresh, stylish looking helmet, particularly one that, from the ones that I've seen, like the Arise and the what's the other main brand? Yeah, I'm drawing a blank right now, but I know the Arise, Shoeies, those brands. I know, you know, supposedly they have better build quality. Most of them are Snell rated as well, where built is definitely not Snell rated. So again, from your point of view, how long do you change helmets? Do you purchase another one just based on style? Maybe you say, hey, I only want a helmet for 2 years, then I go to the next one. What is your replacement plan for your helmet? Or do you just never replace it at all? You just feel like, I bought the helmet, my head hasn't changed size, so that's the one I'm wearing for life until maybe I crash or something crazy happens. So again, leave comments below. What should I do? What do you do? And do you think that there is a, you know, a replacement time that you should get new gear, particularly helmets? Alright, y'all, it's been real. Deuces.